To mount the HEADFIT headset, after having placed the two bearings, put the fork back in position. Then the thread insert which wedges itself on the flat sections of the fork. Put the pin back through the fork and the thread insert. Check that the pin is properly centered on the thread insert. In this situation, for example, you won't be able to screw the clamping ring because the pin goes over on one side. Screw the clamping ring back in until the headset is adjusted and put the rubber caps back to hide the pin.